Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi Naik, and along with some of your most loved chefs, we're bringing together recipes for every single school day. So today we're going to make veggie sticks with sesame. This is a very simple dish, and at the same time it's very nutritious, has a lot of flavor, and something that my kids really enjoy. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So I'm going to start with adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now olive oil is a really good source of MUFA, which is mono unsaturated fatty acids. So it's a very healthy alternative to oil. And I have 1 beetroot, sweet potato and carrots. Now all of these have been parboiled. Now to this I'm going to add red chilies. I've essentially taken out the seeds, 1 star anise, and about half a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, and just give it a nice toss. I'm going to put in some tofu, and this is very delicate, so we want to be a little gentle. I'm going to add some white pepper, some red chili powder, and just a little bit of salt. Just toss it well, and we should be ready to make the dressing. So now we're going to make the dressing. It's very simple. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey to a bowl. To this, I'm going to add Kissan Sweet Spicy Sauce. Now 2 tablespoons should work just well to coat the veggies and give it that nice tangy flavor. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mixed roasted black and white sesame seeds. Now once you've given this a good mix, all you need to do is add the veggies into the bowl. A light toss and your veggie sticks are ready to go. So this is ready, and I'm going to pack this in my tiffin box. And I'm going to add some sprouts, and in goes some dried cranberries. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more of these, and I'll be back to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.